Hello, you're looking at an Isuzu NPR box truck. Overall, this is a nice truck all the way around, but one big problem: the motor. The motor has a knock in it and needs a repair. It is an automatic, and I drove it about 10-15 miles. The transmission shifts fine. The air conditioning is blowing cold right now. Blows cold. Not that it's that big a deal, but the radio works. Tires are decent. This truck just came through a complete inspection June 2010, and everything passed. I'm sure that was probably before the motor problem. All 6 tires are good. One unusual thing: looks to have a brand new liftgate on it. So I'm gonna guess either the other one broke or something, but has a brand new liftgate. Nice. Works fine. Folds up under there. Inside the box there's a couple of beat up spots in the wood, but overall structurally is still good. Got a side door here that opens, not leaking in the top. Floor is solid. Sorry? But mainly the bed is in very good shape. Very good shape. I'll put the lift back down. Oh, you can hear that motor. Now the oil light's not on, but definitely has a motor problem. You can see it drives. Now I had trouble moving it around, so if you're asking me, can I drive this, well, I don't know, a couple 100 miles or something. If you're good at driving something that is broken, you might be able to nurse it along, but I would recommend a tow job. Let's take a quick look here. Wait 1 second while I raise the bed. I gotta do it from the other side. No, I gotta pull the release. I set this here and listen to the motor. Now the motor is a 5.7 liter. 5.7 liter motor. We're located in Edgewood, Maryland. which is about 20 miles north of Baltimore. This is a no reserve auction, so please do not bid unless you have figured out the financial part of this. You don't have to pick it up right away. Let me rev it up a little. You can hear all that. Anyway, it's got a lot of life left in it, but it needs some motor work. The motor's easy to get to. Either just drop a used motor in it or fix what's there. The body's good. It's got a brand new liftgate or close to it. 6 good tires. So that's the story. It is no reserve, so the top bidder will get it. Please do not bid unless you have your finances ready. You don't have to pick it up for 30 days, but you do have to pay for it within 7 and leave a deposit within 24 hours. The door also looks to be in very good shape, which is good for these. And it locks. Anyway, you don't have to pick it up for 30 days. You do have to have a deposit within 24 hours, where this allows us to sell it to the next bidder or anyone else we please. So please do leave the deposit within 24 hours and pay the balance within 7 days. We have a clear title, and we will be able to give you a 60-day temporary license tag. If you do feel you want to drive it, or you feel you can get it fixed fast enough, you want to drive it on your temp tag before you title it in your state. So good luck bidding. If you have questions, email me and I'll send you my number. Buy this Isuzu NPR 8-cylinder.